Hi there, Guy Simmons, Fine and Country, Oxfordshire. I'm in Frilford Heath. I'm at Hidden Brook, a luxury executive home detached on 0.6 of an acre. It's part of what is a very unique and select individual development of just 6 homes, luxury homes. This property is 4,700 square feet and has 6 double bedrooms with 5 en suites. It's very eco-efficient. I'll come on to that later. But this house also has an extra double bedroom, self-contained kitchenette above the double garage. So that's self-contained, so that could be used for an extended family member or a visiting guest. The house has masses of parking at the front for probably 15 vehicles easily. It overlooks paddock and also SSSI Natural England protected land at the back. And the house attributes are that it has air source heat pump, which pumps the wet system underfloor, and that does heating and cooling, which is fantastic in those hot summer days. It's got triple glazing with anti-solar reflective glass throughout. It has an air recirculation system which filters out the air inside the house, and it has category 6 hardwired data to each room. It also has super fast GigaClear broadband, which is a private service, and the lighting system and the heating can be controlled from an application on your mobile devices. This house is so well insulated that with a retrofit of solar or PV panels to the roof, this house will become passive and an A-rated EPC. So if that's of interest to you, it's very hard to find a genuinely eco new home built on 0.6 of an acre within close proximity of the train station, 7 miles away in Oxford, Championship 3 18-hole golf course at Frilford Heath a mile away, and Waitrose in Abingdon upon Thames just 4 miles away. So give me a call if this is of interest, and I would be delighted to tell you more about the house and arrange a visit for you. Thanks for watching.